Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread in a bread machine. Combine 2 cups cornmeal, 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 2 tablespoons sugar in the machine pan, then add 1 beaten egg and 1/4 cups milk. Choose the quick bread or cake program and select medium crust. Start the cycle and check doneness with a toothpick near the end, then cool briefly before slicing. Use room temperature milk and egg for better blending and even rise. If you like sweetness, add 2 tablespoons sugar. For savory, swap for a pinch of salt and chopped jalapeno. Stir wet ingredients separately before combining to avoid streaks of flour. For extra lift, ensure baking powder is fresh and measure precisely. Once mixed, scrape the pan edges so nothing sticks and the loaf bakes uniformly. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making quick recipes. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for cushioned comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing while cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a pair if you want. Now let's get back to the video. If the top browns too fast, tent loosely with foil after the first 20 minutes, then continue the cycle. For denser cornbread, reduce milk by 1 to 2 tablespoons. For lighter crumb, add a splash more. Fold in mix-ins like corn kernels or shredded cheese gently so they don't sink. Always test with a toothpick in the center. It should come out clean or with a few moist crumbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.